Hello everybody! Today we're going to make a marble maze and it's super fun to play with that. To do that we are going to be yellow bears because we are going to take risks and try new things, and also we're going to remember to stay safe whilst doing it. Creative thinking is the word. We are all going to be high performance learners because we are going to focus and try new things. Before we carry on with the video, pause the video now and ask your adult to read this bit here to see why it is important to do fine motor activities like this one. Let's play the video to how to make our marble maze. We're going to make a marble maze, and it's really easy to do that. What you will need is a lid of a box or a container. Any could be a little smaller than this one, that's also fine. A ruler, some marbles, you can use the big ones as well. Some marker pens or crayons or pens, card cut into strips, toilet roll or kitchen roll. Just make sure that you sterilize it by microwaving it for a bit. Some card, a glue stick or Elmer's glue, and a pair of scissors. First of all, paint the box to make it look nice, any color you would like. We just use green for ours. Then on the inside, stick a card with glue. I glued this some black card to just make it smooth inside. After you've done that, it would look like this. Then you stick a piece of card on the back as well, just glue it on like this, and then you can start making the maze. So what I did was I used some strips of card. Doesn't have to be this long, you can cut it a little shorter and just give it a little fold there and a little fold there. Spread some glue on it. Make sure that it has a curve, and then stick it inside the box to start your maze. We're doing this activity, this maze activity, for dexterity and hand-eye control. I also used a few pieces of kitchen roll for this one, and then all you need is a marble, and then you can start practicing to get the marble through the hole. And you need to see how many times you can get the marble through in 1 minute, and try to beat your record every time. For the zigzag letters, which is the V and the W and the X and the Z, we are going to make some patterns to practice the zigzag letters. You can do it in any color you wish, any way you want. I'm going to use this to practice the V and the W. And while you're doing it, you say the pattern: worm down, up, down. We can also add some zigzag letters, and you can do it any way you want. You don't have to do it this way. This is just to decorate your maze a little bit. So for this one, we can do the zigzag. So, and you can say zig, zag, zig, zig, zag, zig, zig, zag, zig. And for the X, we can practice the X perhaps on this side. You can use a different color for that if you want. Let's use white for this one. And then you can start there and say down, across, down, across, down, across, down, across. Afterwards you can color it in. You can fill all these empty bits up with different zigzag patterns to decorate your box. If you would like to, you can also do the same on the sides of your maze to practice your zigzag letters. And that's how you do the maze and practice the zigzag letters. Have fun building your maze and playing with it.